So I mixed kibble and, there you go, let me clean your eye. I mixed kibble and beef patties. All right, there's some beef patties, cook them on the stove, and mix it with the kibble. And you see the result. Somebody made a comment that, you know, they can't survive off kibble alone, and I agree with you, 100%. She hadn't had just kibble in I don't know how long. None of my dogs have. Quite honestly, I stopped feeding them kibble for a while. But I think she loves it. Got a good amount of weight on her. I think she's eating fine.